Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome to Basic 5 class. Today we'll be looking at a topic called fractions, introduction, meaning, types, and naming of what? Of fractions. So I would like you to open to what? To page 74 of your textbook after watching this video and taking the what? The quick quiz that is under this video. I would like you to open the what? To page 74 of your textbook and read it also. So a fraction is a part of a whole. For instance, if we divide a plank into 3 equal parts, each part is 1/3 of the whole. For example, this is a biro, this is a pen right here. So if I divide this pen into 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. So I'll be having what? 3 different parts of what? Of this biro. So the one is what? The one on top is showing me that what? It is the biro, while the 3 below is what? Is how many ways I have divided what? The biro into. You can call it what? 1/3 of the what? Of the whole. In a fraction such as 1/3, 2/5, 3/4, there are what? There are two figures. The one on top is what? Is called the what? The numerator, while the one below is called what? Is called the denominator. I believe you should know by now. I mean, not Abiba. Well, let's look into types of fraction. Let's look into what? Types of what? Types of fraction. We have 3 major types of fraction. There are what? The proper fraction, improper fraction, and what? And mixed numbers. What you call a mixed fraction. Either way you want to call it. So a proper fraction is what? When the numerator of a fraction is less than what? Is less than what? The denominator. It is said to be what? A proper fraction. E.g., we have what? 2/3, 5/6, 13 over what? Over 40. You will notice the upper one is what? Is lower. When I have what? For example, if I have my own, I can write maybe 10 over 30. This is a proper fraction. How did I know it is a proper fraction? The upper one, which is the numerator, is smaller than the lower one, which is what? The denominator. Hope we get that right now. So let's look at improper what? Improper fraction. So improper fraction is the opposite of what? Is the opposite of what? Of proper fraction. In an improper fraction, the upper one is bigger, while the lower number is what? Is smaller. Look at them. Like example that they give us is what? 3/2, 9/7, 15/13, 45/16. You can also have your own example, like what? 17/2 can have what? 18/4. This is what? This is a proper fraction. This is an improper what? Improper fraction. Now let's look at mixed numbers. So a number consisting of a what? Of a whole number and a proper fraction is called what? Is called mixed number. When you have a whole number with a what? With a proper fraction, then you're having what? You're having what? A mixed number. For example, 6 whole number 1/5 is a what? Is a mixed number. When you look at the 1/5, it is a what? It is a proper fraction. 7 whole number 3/4 is a what? Is a what? Is a mixed number. 2 whole number 2/9 is a what? Is a mixed number. 10 whole number 3/5 is a what? Is a mixed number. Also, you can have your own example. You can say what? 15 whole number 2/3. That is a mixed number. Or you can say what? 8 whole number 2/4. You notice a whole number what? And a proper fraction. Could we get that? Let's look at what? Naming of what? Naming of fraction. Just as we write numbers in words. We can write number 1. When I have 1, and I have a number 1, I can say what? I can say write it in what? In English, in words. You can know what? 101. When I have 2, I can say what? TWO. It will still give me what? I'm just going to what? It's give me what? 2. So naming of fraction, we can also what? Just as we write numbers, just as we write what? We write numbers in words and figures. So we can what? We can write fraction part of a whole. For instance, 2/3 is what? 2/3. 2, the upper 2, and third, the lower one you lower to now say what? 2/3. 3/10 is what? 3/10. 3/10. 1/100 is what? 100. 100. 100. Don't mix this number. So let's look at this exercise and attempt it together. So attempt the following question. Write this in numerals. They're written for it in in words. They want you to write it in numbers. So I'll do few numbers for you here, then you do the rest as your class work. As your class work. So the number 1 there is 3/4 is 3/4. So when you hear 3, you know you are talking about 3. So when you hear quarter is 4 or 4 of something. You have 3/4. So our answer will now be 3/4 now be equals to 3. We know it's 3 is 3/4. This is as simple as that. 3/4. 3/4. 3/4. We get it now. So number 2 is 7/10. 7/10. I've even said the answer already. So look right here. You have 7. So you know this one is definitely 7. Tenths. There was an example of tenths here. In the example they give us, you can see 3/10. That's 7/10. You see that it's quite simple. You don't have to be smart about it. The next one is 500. 500. 500. So we have 500. This one is 5. You know it is 5. 100. 100. You know that is 100. So you get it now. So it's quite it's quite simple and easy. So I want you to do this as classwork for me. The classwork will be in this video. As you are watching the video, you will notice if you pause at some places, that means it is asking you to answer the question before you can move forward and watch the video. So there will also be an assignment. You only have 24 hours to do your assignment. If you don't take it serious, I may reduce the time to less than 24 hours. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to watch the class, and I pray Barakallahu fi, and I hope you understand it more than the way it has been presented. So see you in the next class, where we shall continue from where we stop. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.